Are you ready to protect your drive and upgrade your car's safety in 2026? In this video, we're breaking down the top 7 best dash cams 2026, carefully selected for real-world performance, video quality, and value. Whether you need a reliable dash cam for car security, a front and rear dash camera for full coverage, or the best budget dash cam that still delivers sharp footage, this guide has you covered. We've analyzed features like 4K recording, night vision, reliability, and ease of use so you can choose with confidence. All product links are in the description. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. The Wolfbox X3 is a strong contender in the top 7 best dash cams 2026, especially for drivers who want smooth video and smart safety features. Its 2.5K 1440p front camera records at 60 fps, delivering crisp footage that clearly captures license plates and road details, while the 1080p rear camera adds solid rear coverage. Powered by the STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor, night performance is impressive, even in low-light city driving. Built-in ADAS features provide lane departure and forward collision alerts, adding an extra layer of driving assistance. The responsive touchscreen makes settings easy to adjust, and the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows fast video transfers to your phone. With GPS tracking, loop recording, a reliable G sensor, and a 64GB card included, this dash cam for car security offers excellent value for daily commuters and long-distance drivers alike. The Vantru N4 Pro South easily earns its place in the top 7 best dash cams 2026 thanks to its powerful 3-channel setup and premium video quality. It records stunning 4K footage from the front, 2.5K from the rear, and 1080p inside the cabin, making it ideal for rideshare drivers, families, and fleet use. Triple STARVIS 2 sensors and HDR/IR night vision ensure clear recordings day and night, even inside the vehicle. Voice control adds convenience, allowing hands-free operation while driving. Built-in GPS logs speed and route data, while Wi-Fi enables quick access to footage through the app. Its advanced parking mode provides reliable protection when your car is parked, and support for up to 1 TB storage means long recording times without worry. This is a top-tier dash camera for users who want complete coverage and professional-grade performance. This 360-degree 4-channel dash cam stands out in the top 7 best dash cams 2026 for its all-around coverage and strong security features. With a 2K front camera and 3 1080p cameras covering the interior and rear angles, it offers near-complete visibility of your vehicle. The wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots, making it an excellent choice for urban driving and parking protection. 8 IR lamps deliver clear interior night vision, which is especially useful for taxis and rideshare vehicles. Built-in Wi-Fi and a dedicated app make reviewing and downloading footage simple, while GPS tracking adds valuable driving data. The 24/7 parking mode, combined with a responsive G sensor, ensures incidents are recorded even when you're away. With a 64GB card included, this dash cam provides reliable, full coverage monitoring at a competitive value. Designed for drivers who demand clarity and speed, this 3-channel dash cam is a premium pick in the top 7 best dash cams 2026 lineup. It records ultra-sharp 4K footage from both the front and rear cameras, while the 1080p cabin camera captures interior activity with IR night vision for low-light conditions. The advanced 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 delivers extremely fast transfer speeds, saving time when accessing large video files. Built-in GPS accurately records speed and route data, which can be crucial in insurance claims. Its 24-hour parking mode keeps your vehicle protected around the clock, while the G-sensor automatically locks important clips during sudden impacts. With a free 128GB card included and support up to 512GB, this dash camera offers excellent storage flexibility and high-end performance for serious drivers. The BotSlab 3K 4-channel dash cam is an impressive all-in-one solution featured in the top 7 best dash cams 2026. Its unique 560 all-sides view delivers near total coverage, capturing front, rear, and interior angles to reduce blind spots significantly. The 3K front camera produces sharp, detailed footage, while the additional cameras enhance overall situational awareness. A bright 3.18-inch touchscreen makes navigation intuitive, and voice control adds hands-free convenience. Built-in GPS logs essential driving data, while the fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows smooth app connectivity. The 24/7 parking mode ensures continuous protection when your vehicle is unattended. With a free 128 GB memory card included, this dashcam is ready to use right out of the box, making it a strong choice for drivers who want maximum coverage and smart features. The 70mm 4K T800 is one of the most advanced options in the top 7 best dashcams 2026, combining cutting-edge technology with premium build quality. It features dual 4K cameras for front and rear recording, along with a 1080p interior camera, delivering exceptional clarity in all directions. The STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor and HDR night vision provide outstanding low-light performance. Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast data transfer, while built-in 4G LTE allows remote access and real-time notifications. ADAS features enhanced driving safety with intelligent alerts, and the 24-hour parking mode offers continuous protection. Support for up to a 512 GB card allows extended recording without frequent overwriting. This dash camera is ideal for tech-savvy drivers who want smart connectivity, top-tier video quality, and reliable vehicle monitoring. The X5 dashcam delivers a balanced mix of performance and affordability, earning its spot in the top 7 best dashcams 2026. It features a powerful 4K front camera paired with a 2.5K rear camera, ensuring clear and detailed footage from both angles. The 3.39-inch touchscreen offers easy control and quick access to settings, while Wi-Fi app support makes video playback and downloads convenient. Night vision enhances visibility after dark, and loop recording ensures continuous operation without manual file management. The built-in G sensor automatically locks emergency footage during sudden impacts, protecting critical evidence. With reliable parking mode and a 64 GB memory card included, this dashcam for cars is a solid choice for everyday drivers looking for high-resolution recording without a premium price tag. All of the product links are in the description, and hit the bell icon and subscribe this channel.